Ever feel like you have big dreams but no energy to make them happen? You tell yourself, I'll do it tomorrow, but somehow, tomorrow never comes. You want to write that book, get fit, or finally learn something new, yet you end up scrolling on your phone or watching random videos. Why does this happen? It's not because you're lazy, it's because your brain sees the goal as too big. When something feels hard, your brain whispers, let's do something easier. But here's the truth. Laziness isn't who you are. It's just a habit. And habits can change. Think about it. How many times have you stopped before even starting because the goal felt impossible? You wanted to save money, but cutting back on everything felt overwhelming. You wanted to get healthier, but the idea of running every day sounded exhausting. It's not that you don't care. It's just your brain's natural wiring to avoid pain and seek comfort. But you can outsmart your brain. Here are 3 powerful steps to break free from laziness and start taking action. Step 1. Make it small. Big tasks look scary, so break them down. Don't think about writing 200 pages. Just write 1 sentence today. Don't focus on learning the whole guitar. Just learn 1 chord. Small wins may seem tiny, but they build unstoppable momentum. Remember, mountains are climbed 1 step at a time. Step 2. Create easy routines. Don't depend on willpower. It fades. Instead, build systems that make taking action automatic. Want to exercise? Keep your shoes by your bed. Want to stay organized? Write a small to-do list every morning. Routines are like training wheels. They guide you until success becomes second nature. Step 3. Use the 2-minute rule. The hardest part is starting. So tell yourself you'll do just 2 minutes. Read 1 page. Clean 1 corner. Write 1 sentence. Once you begin, momentum takes over, like a ball rolling downhill. Starting small beats, waiting for the perfect moment. And here's a bonus tip. Reward yourself. Celebrate small wins. Listen to your favorite song, take a short break, or just smile, knowing you took action. Rewards rewire your brain to love progress. The truth is, everyone you admire once struggled like you. They weren't perfect. They were consistent. Your dreams are like a tiny spark. Each small action you take adds fuel, and one day that spark becomes a blazing fire. So what's 1 small step you'll take today? Remember, failure isn't the opposite of success. It's a part of it. Be kind to yourself, stay consistent, and never stop moving forward. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Because small, consistent actions create massive change over time. So don't wait for motivation. Create it. Your dreams are waiting. Go make them happen.